Welcome to week 4. This week we will revisit the life cycle and the nutrition care process. We'll review various aspects of childhood from infancy to adolescence, and the case study provides details about a little boy who is overweight. The nutrition care process. Again, remember, it's nice to revisit that video. Anyway, we're going to be exploring the etiology this week. And so we're adding another link to our PES statement. And you'll notice that there are a list of specific etiologies here. Again, this list is not exhaustive, but it is enough for you to draw conclusions about this semester's assignments as you need them. For the case study, you too will determine both the problem and the etiology sections of the PES statement. The problems, remember, is in week number 2, and the etiologies listed here in week 4. Again, remember to use only specific verbiage from the lists here in Blackboard. And I've also added a bonus option. Let me go back and see that. I don't recall exactly what that was. Oh, yes. So this bonus assignment is on nutrition in infancy. I think you'll find that very informative. So I hope you'll take advantage of that additional point opportunity. A reminder that exam 1 opens on Monday night and is available through, that's this Monday night, and is available through this Saturday night. So do get that exam in within the exam window. This covers the first 3 weeks of course content, reading, and Blackboard. Good luck on the exam and have a great week.